Hey guys, what's up? So if you want to join, hello, my name is Suji Trend on Instagram and looking for this filter, magnified eyes, then check out this video. So this filter, first of all, you will get these two eyes on the center of your screen. Tap on your screen to bring it to your eyes. Okay, and tap again to bring it back again to the center. In this filter, you can drag it also in your screen. Okay, so to get this effect on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Far Studio is the creator of this effect. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your Instagram camera tray. He's having some awesome filter. Okay, so check in his filter gallery. This is the filter, magnified eyes. Tap on it. And you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.